Yes, that's why I want to improve my English so that I could present myself in the interview room in a very efficient way.
Hmm.
Uh, and why you are tell me your reason why you are working on this skill.
Hmm. I see it as a bridging gap just to communicate my message. I use English, and it is also very fun. So that's why.
Okay, and okay, tell me more about what kind of I mean uh, this is mostly adopted by commerce stream students.
Yes.
Am I right?
Hmm. No, it can be pursued by any stream. It doesn't have a barrier, but most of commerce students only apply. So science apply. So yeah.
Everybody can join Sienna.
Sorry,
Can you hear me?
what you said? Repeat it. What you said?
I said that any student after 12th class can join Sienna.
Yes. No
Mm,
entry barrier. You can clear the exam. There are three exams: foundation, intermediate, and final. And I'm in intermediate. Final foundation I have cleared, and I'm in intermediate.
okay.
So
Uh,
okay. So Khushi ji and Pratik, Om Pratik.
two
So
more
guys,
Hello, good
people.
welcome.
afternoon,
Yeah,
everyone.
yeah. Good afternoon. So yeah,
So, what was the topic you guys were discussing?
I was just discussing on my career-wise field I have chosen. I was just discussing. So moving on the
Okay.
topic, I have chosen the topic, and you can speak if you have anything to add on it. Is college still worth it? In chat box, I
Okay.
have given if someone want to refer.
Okay, let me check it. So, it's still worth it. Okay, so you guys are done with this?
No, we have just started it and we haven't discussed. So it is first time for all.
Okay.
Yeah. Anybody wants to give inputs?
Yeah.
So to give you context that why I have chosen this topic is now we are because of coronavirus pandemic, all colleges and school now it has opened, but not fully. They have 50% some restrictions. So I want
Also,
to
not in
go.
every state.
Yeah.
I'm
Sorry.
saying that I'm saying that also the colleges and schools are not open in every state.
Yes.
There are
Yes.
some
Mm-hmm.
rare ones.
Mm-hmm. So in my area it has opened, but with
Not in
restrictions.
my area.
Yeah. Okay.
Not in my area. I'm on a like
Yeah.
I'm asking from my
Cool.
Sorry,
like
I want to
the
say something.
authorities in that.
Mm.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anandji. Yeah.
Yes, I want to add some my views on the topic you have given. Is college worth it?
So yeah, still worth it. Yeah.
I
Sure,
have
you
to
can go ahead.
I have to say that it is not so much worth it because I mean in the field of gaining knowledge, like the kind of subjective knowledge or any skill kind of thing, you cannot. You, it is not very much necessary to go college. Only just you have to if you just want to take a social interaction, then only you have to go college. So that's all I have to say. There is not any use to go college for like in past days go to gain knowledge, like online platform are available all the everywhere. So it is, I think that it is not very much essential for going colleges. Only if you want to improve your social status, your communicative skill, or your these kind of things. So just it is only essential for the
Yeah,
for, for the sake of like for gaining any kind of uh, academic knowledge. It is not so much necessary. That's all I have to say.
yeah, very well said. One thing that you highlighted, that for social interaction, it is that if you want to go. Yeah,
Yeah,
very nice, very nice. Bang on.
because
Yeah.
because because all other things that learned from teacher is available everywhere. A
Mm-hmm.
lot of stuff are available uh, online platforms. So uh, I mean, you usually just going to take knowledge and from teachers, then he or she is wasting just time for he can utilize it in other way. So I think only he can join to interact, something like that.
Mm. Yeah, very nice. Anybody?
Hello.
Rubina. Yeah, yeah, Rubina. Hi, welcome. Welcome again. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Uh, Hello to everybody. I'm Rubina Yusuf. So, your question is that is college still worth it? Okay,
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I think that yes, they still worth it because I think that yes, in the today era, a student possesses every sort of facilities, like he can read through the internet, he can Google, he can learn from the Google. But I think the if a person, but I think according to me, it's important to learn through the through the active through there should be the influence of both teacher as well as the student, because if we are learning through the passive way, this doesn't this thing doesn't influence on us. So I think we should not we should we have to learn through the active way, because it influences the student a lot. And another thing is that in college, a student in college a student learns not learns but a student gets a lot of exposure through in college. He gets social, he's a lot of developments come in the students, like he develops morally, socially, and aesthetically. Because in college because in college there are so many students, and when he interacts with different type of people as well as students, so automatically a change comes into him. So I think college is college is still worth.
Very interesting argument. Yeah. Well, not argument, yeah, but point.
Well said, Rubina.
Yeah.
Thank you, but I get so much hesitation.
I don't know why, because you have spoken many times. I have seen you. Why?
Yeah,
Any
but
specific
still,
reason? Okay, so okay. No.
thank you
No,
for listening me.
but you are
No, no
speaking
issue,
well
because
only, so why you
hesitation is
wanna?
not a
Yeah.
big deal to like matter. Just the thing is that when you are fluent, then like hesitation and fumbling is okay. Sometimes people are having this is with them, and not only us, the uh, celebrities or the person who is speaking so fluent. Sometimes they also do the things.
Hmm.
So it's common for us.
So don't take so much of unnecessary pressure.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, Khushi ji, do you want to say something on this topic?
Yeah, sure. I want to share my perspective about the question or the topic. Is college still worth it? So let me say, I'm right now. I'm pursuing graduation and I'm in college. So I can say that things that yes, college is still worth it. During this lockdown period, I missed my college so much. Uh, the reason was library, uh, hanging out with my friends,
is is a next level chapter of your life where you can enjoy your life in a this is the place where you are going out from your hometown or from your home, because from 12th or at class 12th, you are some people are in their hometown, so they can't go outside to explore the things more. But when you are going to college, so you are getting the environment totally changed. Your environment is totally changed. The things which you are seeing there in the college, we can there are two types of people, as we know, motivated or demotivated sometimes. So that's only depends on us that in which way we are going. And like college life is just a golden memory for us, which we are going to catch for our future. Whenever we are feeling too low, we can recall these things. So for me, yes, college is still worth it because of like nowadays, as we are having online lectures or through Google Meet or Zoom call. But the things which is virtual, when you are going to college or you are attending the lectures through professors, that a kind of different experience, you can say.
Hmm.
The fun, the enjoyment you are doing at there, that is totally different. And the thing you can feel whenever you are at this place or at the college. Yes, that's it from my side. Thank you.
Yeah, well said. Interesting point, yeah. Hmm.
Yes.
Om Pratak ji, sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong. Are you there?
Yes,
Om Pratik. Yeah, do you wanna say
I
something?
am
Yeah.
I am beginner in spoken English, so I
No
only know
worry.
only.
Whatever you wanna say, you can say with freedom and whatever you want. It's okay. You will improve.
Okay, how to improve myself?
Just practice more and listen to more English.
I understand everything, but not speaking properly.
That's the same thing happens with all of us. Just the thing is that we are lacking of dictionary or some words. So now what we can do, we can learn new words day by day. Like we can take a task as it, learn four new words or five new words to improve our dictionary to speak fluent.
Thank you.
Yeah, so to ask you is very important, as you in your caption also said that MBA 2022.
Yes,
So
I am
is
recently
college still
joined in
worth it?
MBA.
Yeah?
I am recently joined in MBA.
Okay, so yeah. From MBA perspective, we want to know.
No, I am beginner in MBA, and there is no classes in my college uh, in online through.
Hmm.
So in this year I join. Sorry, sir,
No, no, no worry. You want to say more or is it enough?
I cannot explain properly.
Okay, no worry. But do you want to proceed more? Do you want to say something more or you have finished? Pratik ji,
Yes,
are you finished or you want to say more?
no, finish.
Okay, no worry. So, from what we have listened from Anand ji, Rubina ji, or Khushi ji, I think is college still worth it? I would say it depends. It depends on the person who is trying to what degree he wants. If he is something specialty, he wanna go on that. So I think college through mechanism it will help him. But nowadays, what we are on a simple graduation stuff, most of them are teaching online only. So there are more better alternatives, more cheaper, and we can study from online also. But when Khushi ji said that we have interaction and this. Yeah, I agree. But there are more alternatives also, and for fun also we have alternatives. So not necessary we wanna pay for college fees that much. We can get fun or something go as from Harvard or MIT also they are doing, or in IIT and that from top colleges. So they are not taking because classes are going online. So they have taken a house on Goa or some is any hill station type. So they are enjoying their life with and saving also saving money, just spending too much the standard of living. So yeah, but from if we are doing college from a normal some college, so not necessarily worth it because there are better platforms on online also. So courses and there are much better alternatives and they can teach better also. We can understand. Yeah, that only. Yeah, thank you.
Well
Hello,
said.
Yeah,
hello.
anything wanna add?
Yes, yes,
Yeah, Anandji.
yes. I want to ask from all of you people that uh, uh, any college in which you all people are studying, can you please tell me that is the professor in your colleges are putting their 100% effort in explaining the things to all of you, or just they just make time pass in the class? Can you please?
Yeah, one more point. Why I just remembered it. Sorry to interrupt, Anandji. The point is similar to Anandji point only, that are the professor inputting getting their 100%, but also what we are learning from graduation and stuff. Also the academy, what we call the stuff we are learning. Most of this is outdated, as it is very well said by rich and successful people also, that what we are learning now also, it is not necessary while we graduate be this will be still relevant, or it will get expire by the time we get out of college or something. We have to learn and input and from, yeah, that only.
Yes, then why we should be so much dependent on those professor if we already know that they just only give the certificate and something this kind of thing, then why should we very much spiritually depend on them with their interaction and something like that? If they are just uh, explaining the basic thing, the traditional, the old syllabus and the topics, then we can also study from anywhere else. And
Yeah,
why do we respect their so much kind of their very experienced knowledge with us? If we know that their experienced knowledge is not so much of use, we are just going to use it by your own way, then why we are very much stick to those professor, their knowledge and something like that? Because I am so I have seen a lot of my friends telling about their teachers and their academic professors. They also they are not very much satisfied with their studies. They are teaching bits what
hmm.
their teachers told and they taught them. So I just want to add on the topic. One of friend told that we go to college to interact with professor and teachers, and we just learned a lot of things. These kind of interaction and such kind of things were very much like you can say that these were essential till class 12th. Yeah, in college you have to explore by your own self. You have to learn things by your own self. Why do
Yeah,
you want to stick on professor and their the very special kind of uh, teachings? It can also be known by from many other means, any other platforms. So I mean that I want to overall say that. college is just if you have just only to enjoy. If you are going college, you are going to enjoy, but that's what it is. So there is
So
not any kind of knowledge or uh, one, if you are pursuing any practical kind of subject in MBBS. If you are in MBBS, then you have to go to do practicals and such kind of things. Or in engineering, if you are pursuing civil mechanical these kind of things, then you have to do something like that. But other than that, I don't think such any necessity is not there.
Okay, Anand, I have one question.
Yes, yes.
Can I say?
Yes, please.
Okay, Anand. So, why do you think college degree is worthless? Could you
No, no,
explain us?
I am not saying that college degree is worthless.
Yeah,
I am not saying that college degree is worthless. I'm just
but
saying
I.
that I'm
Mm-hmm.
just saying that like the teachers and the professor there, what they taught in the classroom, they do not put it in a very new or in a very like they do not create any excitement with the subject, and they do not provide it to the students in a very new way, like they provide it in a very old and traditional way. That was I want to make it clear. I was not
Okay,
saying that it is not
Mm-hmm.
so I
Okay,
think you are not
I wanna
pro.
I
Mm-hmm.
wanna add a point,
yes,
yes,
Anand. Like
yeah,
as
yes,
you
Khushiji.
said, the teacher was like, and they were teaching in the old school type. So in the college days, we guys are capable to think from our side. We don't have to be dependent on the teachers, like as we guys were doing from till class 12. We were totally dependent on the teacher. The teacher is going to whatever teach, we guys will gain that. But in college days, we guys are mature. We can think from ourselves that what we are going to study, but what we have to gain. So we are dependent on the professors. We are just taking the lessons, and whatever we want to change, or like whatever we want to create something unique to learn that things, we can do that things from us. We are not totally dependent on them.
yes,
That's why there are libraries and many more things are available in your college. You can go there, you can search the things from your own.
yes. But library for
Okay,
what?
okay, okay, Anandji. I can finish this point. So the colleges, most of the college we see it as a fun or something, but it is the time for you to explore yourself, to know your niche or what's your interest, and try different things.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so it depends on not that you depend on college that they will give you everything you want, they will give you skills, everything you want, communication. You have to develop yourself. It depends on the curiosity, the
It depends on
self-educating
the person to
person.
person.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
self-educating. As you can see, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, everyone, every successful people, they have learned from themselves. They have internship, or they have applied. They have learned that not from traditional education system. They have give inputs, and they think that this will they have to do themselves. So if they wanna succeed in life, so yeah. And one point that you said that why college is respected, I would see as a point that college is respected by our parents. Why it is so much given respect now also. So I think we have to go back where our parents have come from generation that they have seen hardships, they have not taken risk and everything. So in for their children also they want uh, a future better future, so they don't want that you do this or that, so they respect that only. So but now the time has changed. If you don't take risk, it is the biggest risk you can take. So yeah.
And I wanna say one thing more, that
Hmm.
this period, the college period, graduation year, 3 or 4 years, that depends on the course. So this is the time you can explore yourself more than any other things, like
Mm-hmm.
about your skills, about your interest, wherever you wanna go. Like one of my friend, during this lockdown has explored a new thing like doing poetry, and she is continued doing this. So before these things, like when she was in class 12, she doesn't know about the new thing about herself. This is the time you can explore yourself more and more.
Hmm. Yeah, agree. I agree fully on that, and I think we are trying that only.
Hmm.
So yeah.
So should we
Hmm.
conclude this topic,
No.
or we
Yeah,
are
we
going to
are
take new one?
concluding this topic, but on next portion, I have Q&A's questions that they are fun type questions. So
Hmm.
I will post in the chat and you can see it and you have to answer it in English spoken. Yeah. Yeah. First question. If you
This
had
is a
three wishes,
hypothetical
what
question.
would you wish for?
This is a hypothetical question.
Yeah, but it is a fun type. I see that.
Yes,
I
yes.
wanna know
I'm
what the
agree. I'm
person
agree.
thinks. Yeah. Yeah. First, Khushi, do you want to answer it?
Okay.
Oh,
Let me read
okay.
the question again. If you had three wishes, what do you wish for? Okay. The first thing I wanna wish, like, uh, whenever I am asking wish, like I have to ask the wishes from whom? First of all, tell me that.
Genie, you can take it.
Jimmy. Yes.
Yeah.
So I will. First of all, I will ask Jimmy to, like, whenever I ask or I'm craving, starving about, I can get that. First wish. Second wish is that. Uh,
Yeah. Sorry to interrupt. Starving food.
yes.
Okay. 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 You have choice. You can choose anything. Yeah.
Huh. Second thing is that. Uh, like I love to read novels and books. So
Hmm.
whenever I ask about any type of books, it's ready for me. And the third wish is that whenever I ask Ginny or I call Ginny, he have to be present in front of myself and he have to complete my three wishes again. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Interesting.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Anybody? Uh,
Can
uh,
I? It's a
yeah.
fun type questions, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So I wish that I wish that I will complete my time my work on time because I don't follow my instructions, sometimes, and I feel very regret that I'm not completing, I'm not focusing on my work. So I wish somebody motivate me to do every time and to be focused on your work. So first one I wish that, and the second one would be mm, to learn. I wish to learn more about the whole things about the business, what is how it works and all. So yeah, I'm learning also, so I wish that as much as I can learn fast, it would be beneficial for me. And the third one would be third one what would be the next financial.
Okay. Financial freedom,
Yeah,
independence. Yeah.
yes, thank you.
Yeah. Anybody? So, Rubina, have you answered this question earlier?
Yes.
Okay. For all, you can answer it again also. Sorry. Huh?
Okay. So, my first wish, actually, it's very difficult to think like this. Okay, but still, I will try. My first will be that I wanna visit in the whole country, not in the whole country, in the whole world. I want to things
Travel
like
the world. Yeah.
yes, I want to tour the world. And the another wish is that there should be someone that no, this should happen something like that. I should be able to crack all the competitive exam in my first attempt. And the third wish
O-
is,
Okay.
and the
Okay.
third,
Third.
and the third wish is that there should be someone who will do my assignments, because I'm having too many assignments, and I'm not able to do them alone.
Hmm.
Yes, these are the three wishes from my side.
Yeah, and I have
Thanks.
also, and I have so one more. I also want to cover whole world. Yeah, because I even lost.
Yeah, but your wish is finished.
Yeah. So if I can skip, then I would say I want to travel whole world because I talk
Mhm.
to lots of people, Iranian people and many others because of
Hmm.
the technology, So I wish to visit to meet them and all.
Yeah.
One thing I have to say.
Yeah. Anandji.
Yes. My three wishes will be I I that I will become the most richest person in the world so that I
Okay.
could buy all the thing what I wish.
Hmm.
And second thing will be I will I will own my own planet in the space so that I could go there anytime. Like people buy land anywhere on the earth, and I will buy a whole planet in the universe for myself. And the
Okay.
third thing will be I I will never want to die.
It's
Okay.
so
Okay.
funny.
Okay. You have chosen richest, immortal, and the second one was.
To buy a planet in the universe.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay.
And the other
Okay.
one is, and the
Other
other one is, you never want to die. Oh my
Yes.
goodness. Ronak.
yes.
Okay, Ronak. Now tell about yourself. What is your wishes?
So, yeah, before me, Pratik, do you want to answer? Pratik?
Hello, hello. My
Yeah.
first wish will be best English speaker.
Okay.
Second wish is visit in all world.
Okay.
Third wish nothing.
Okay. So, okay. I don't know why you have not chosen, but Khushi has chosen, but I don't think why three only. Uh, if I have a wish, I would wish for 1 million wishes. 1 crore wishes. Have you not think of this? Why three only? You can choose as much as you can wish.
Because we know that it's a hypothetical question and it can't happen in reality.
Yeah, but if we take only that only three only, if we have condition terms and conditions,
You are
three,
you
it
are
is two
you
are
are not
similar to Anand. Two are similar to Anand. The
you are
richest
hiding,
person.
you are
Sorry.
hiding your own wish. You are hiding your own wish.
No, I am saying three only. So one is richest person, the smartest person, and immortal. Never wanna die.
Ronak, why you don't want to die?
Because I wanna take the advantages of my resources.
Okay, but you know one thing, those persons who come, he goes one day, or see.
But
So
I have
don't be
chosen an
afraid.
immortal thing.
Hmm?
Nobody can destroy me. God. Not God, but yeah, it
It's
is hypothetical, so yeah.
it's based on hypothetical.
Why I have chosen smartest also, I will take good decisions.
Yes.
Richest also.
No, no, no. That's good. I think you want to be richest person in the world, and the second one is smartest. It's good. And the third one we don't get. Oh, you don't want to die,
Yes.
right?
So this
Yeah.
is the best combination, I think so.
Hmm. Definitely.
So yeah. So next, moving to the next question.
Okay, we are ready.
Yeah, can you see the question? Okay, sorry.
Again.
Sorry.
Okay.
So the question is, what would you rather throw away, love or money?
It's interesting one. Okay. So if I talk about love and money, so definitely I would throw for current time my love, because I want to earn money for them also, for my love also, so that my dream can fulfill, right?
Mm-hmm.
So definitely I would go for money, because once I will get successful, and definitely not about love also, but the thing I think, yeah, because in my family nobody is like a very successful millionaire, or that's all are a government job. So yeah, I wish to be a millionaire and all. So I would throw love for this time.
Okay.
Hmm. For now.
Anyone? Yeah, but he has chosen money over love. So yeah, anybody?
Me.
What, same or against?
No, I'm against him. I wanna throw, if this would happen, I would throw the money, because I think if money can come back, it's up to us that if we will work hard, it's up to us to earn the money. But if we lost our love, it won't come back. And whatever we are doing in our life, we are earning anything, we are whatever, even everything, everything depends. Whatever we are having, we enjoy that thing on with through our loved ones. If we don't have loved ones, then and does anything doesn't matters in our life. And this becomes what I can say, that as a solitary life, that means we are getting the isolation, we are running after the money. And I don't loud, I just want yes, I would through the money, I would through the money, because we can earn it back. But if we lost our love, we can't back. We can't take it back.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. This is Team Jason and okay. Okay, Jason. What's your name?
This is Jason.
Jason only.
Emmanuel, yeah.
No, but real name.
Yeah, this is Jason Emmanuel.
Okay. Okay. Nice name.
Thank you.
Okay. So there is Team Jason and Rubina. Anybody wants to join? Anyone? Anand ji, Pratik ji.
Okay, bro. I would throw love because I am in love. That is my
In
point.
what? Sorry. In what?
I am going through in love because I'm in love.
That's good.
Oh. Okay. So you will throw love.
Yes, bro.
Okay.
What
Okay.
about you, Ronak? We are excited to know about you. What's your
Okay. I don't know why you haven't asked what type of love I'm talking and the money. Money would be $1 million, and love would be a partner love. The person you want, spouse or something. That.
hmm,
Not family love because we can't throw that. Uh,
hmm.
so
Yeah.
I will throw away the loved one,
I
spouse,
was thinking that
life
you are
partner.
talking about family.
No,
I
no,
was
no,
thinking
no.
you are talking
I
about
can't. I
friends.
can't trade family love.
No,
I can't trade family love.
even I didn't heard about all these things, that it is related with the family. My family first, my mother, my father, my siblings.
So
They
that's
come.
why. Yeah. So I don't know why you haven't asked, but yeah, good
I
job,
think
Jason.
about.
Good.
I,
But your option was good, na?
yeah, I think it is related with the partner's love.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I'm just only 20 years old, so I don't think it is very important for me. That is why I said for now, not love.
Yeah. Rubina, do you want to change or stick with it?
No, still I want to be with it, uh, because I think no, I don't want to say anything more on this.
No, it's
Okay.
your opinion. Don't be shy.
I want to also put my opinion.
Yeah.
I I will I will throw money this time because
Money.
yes,
Okay, to give you, I think Anand missed, so to give him the option, the money is $1 million and love is the life partner.
yes, definitely I will go with my life partner.
Oh my god. So, what's your age?
My age is 20 years old. Um,
Okay.
because yes.
Yeah. Life partner.
Ronak, what's your opinion? Share with us.
I think I would throw away love.
Yeah.
I will take the money, because I think I will find it is too, for me also it is so young to choose life
Hmm.
partner, but
Yes.
later on we will find
Yes, yes, because yeah, definitely. First, we should focus on our career.
career. Yeah, yeah,
Yes, that's good. Good choice. Anyways, everybody good choice.
yeah. Everybody has reason that why they choose.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next question.
Yes. If you could trade lives with someone, who would it be? Okay. Okay. Let me read again. If you could trade lives with someone, who would it be? Can
Anybody, it could be a celebrity or sports star or any near person, a brother or some near neighbor or something. Yeah.
yeah, could you explain in detail like it's related with business?
Not trade. I mean that if you and I wanna, if I want your what you call, what you are living your life, I want to take it, and I will give you mine life.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's something on
So,
higher
okay.
level.
It's very easy for me. I think everybody is easy for you because we are wishing, So definitely, I would take Jeff Bezos' life instead of mine, and I will love to give my life.
Okay, you choose Jeff Bezos. Okay.
Yeah, I think everybody will choose successful people, not
Yeah, of course.
celebrity and not.
But we might not know anybody on any other life,
Yes,
so
yes.
let's see.
It's
Actually,
interesting.
I didn't got the question. Please explain it.
Okay, so the question is simple, that you want take life from another person, that you want their life, and you want
Okay,
to
I
give
can
your
live.
life to them.
Okay, it's also type of wish. Means yeah, I can live another's life.
Yes, you can say that. Yeah.
Okay, another's life. No, I'm happy in my life. I don't want to.
Oh my. The answer I was not expecting, but yeah, nice, nice.
It's very interesting one and good one, Somebody happy with yourself, he or she is the happiest person, you know,
Hmm.
because human wants are growing day by day. One
Hmm.
wants completed, other wants arise suddenly. So it is happy to what you now
Hmm.
and live with that. But yeah, I respect that.
Yeah. I also, but yeah, nice, nice choice.
Nice,
Thank you.
Rubina. Let's
So
see on.
okay. Before moving to others, so
Hmm.
Rubina, I want to ask that what is in your life that not everybody has.
No, don't. It's so personal. It's so personal, Ronak. Don't ask.
No, no, not
No,
that
it is
type
not so
personal.
personal.
I'm
We think
in general, in general.
the
Any
most
In a positive way.
in a
Okay,
I think in
okay,
what
I
is
will
in
say
your life that you wanna keep it?
because but I
It's
don't think
precious, precious. I think, yeah.
precious. I think that I everything which I am having it's precious for me. For me, everything, whatever for me, and I respect that thing, and I'm happily for that with the core of my heart, and it's the thing, my positive thinking towards the things which I got. I think it's the thing which lets me to be happy.
Yeah. Oh my
Wow.
God, I am crying. The speech was incredible.
Thank you.
रुला ही डाला बस. चलो.
Good one. Literally, good one. Good
Yeah.
choice.
Good choice. That was interesting. Yeah. Pratik ji, Anand ji.
yes, sir. I would be the president of America.
Okay,
Oh,
Joe
wow.
Biden.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Oh. So on next level, we have gone to politics. So yeah, interesting. Any why you wanna choose president only?
Yes.
Because because he's the powerful person of the powerful country of the world. So I think that is
Okay, I think we got the answer, Ronak. I think he wants to be the powerful, right, Anand?
Powerful, yeah, yeah.
So,
yes.
but the politician serves our people, common people.
Yeah. So you can't enjoy the for you only. You have to give also.
But
Yes,
I think, but you can say that all the power from any like defense or any kind of thing from world level is under the president to take any kind of mission. The final decision is given by the president. So that's all. And he's the powerful person of from powerful country, not from like from any small country. So and I also want to explore one time in America. So I just
Okay. Yeah, interesting. Oh, I just thought that I have framed my answer that I would choose Bill Gates, the life. So now I realize that if I choose, as Jason also choose Jeff Bezos, then when if we choose them, so I our life would be short.
yes, I didn't realize that one. Thank
Okay,
you.
so I just got that only. So I have to change. I have to choose a young person.
Yeah, I think,
just
yes,
I will
definitely, it is logic, you know. I didn't
Yeah.
even think all about this, but the thing is, I wanted to take their wealth and I want to give my wealth back to them.
Yeah.
don't know.
Yeah.
By by knowing the age factor, I would go to Elon Musk.
No, but he was also old.
No,
He is
but
40,
46
50
years old.
something maybe.
46 years
at
old.
least much younger than Joe Biden.
Yeah, but
Okay.
okay, yes, yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice choice.
Okay, Ronak,
uh,
now it's your turn.
yeah, who is the young person, man?
Young person, okay. Successful, or I think it depends on you.
No, but I am thinking only I can't because most of them have attained success in their later years when they got old. So I can't remember any young person.
Yes,
I'm thinking that my life is good.
yes, good. Wow, that's very good. That's amazing. And even Rubina had the same thing. That she is
Yeah.
very happy with her life. It's good.
Hmm. No, but I can't take that. I have no names that I can take, so that's why only.
No, you all people are just changing your question at last.
Manipulating.
At the end, I will also not go anywhere. I am also
No, no, it's your choice because if you said only that you want a Elon Musk, you are not getting Elon Musk.
no, I am happy.
So it's your in dreams, but you can enjoy. Yeah.
No, now I have become Elon Musk. I am very much happy with my life.
Yeah, but the if you have not seen his routine or something, he has crazy schedule. He
Yeah.
work like a crazy person, man.
Yes, yes,
Do you
yes.
want to
And
take the stress level what he's doing, the SpaceX or Tesla, some that
Yes,
on
yes.
Neuralink and everything?
A lot of risk and so many.
Listen, stress is like oh my god.
Yes. Uh, One thing I have somewhere watched about him that he always speak anything, and in meanwhile he just got like forget where he involved in his purpose, and he forget about anything surrounding from his surrounding. That this is the concentration level of Elon Musk in the
Hmm. Yes,
significant.
yes. In the talk, yeah, it has happened most of time.
so let's see what would be the next question, Ronak.
Yes. Yeah, but has Pratik answered or not?
Pratik?
No,
Yes,
bro.
I
I'm
think,
happy with my life.
yeah, everybody.
So we have majority.
Okay,
So
so
what about Jason? Yeah. So do you choose the
no, no,
same person? Huh?
no. I didn't realize that Jeff Bezos is 52, 53 old.
Yeah.
Then definitely I'm happy with my life. But I'm not literally. I'm not happy with my life. I want to do.
But realizing that you have more years, you are now happy.
Yes, you can say I'm very young now. I have to
Yeah.
do. I think everybody has to do lots of things. Those who are in 20s, 18s, 19s, right?
Hmm. Yes. Yes.
So
Ah.
we are still very young now. So let's see. We have only option to work hard or smart. Let's see what results get because it not up to us, right? It can be negative also, positive also. Let's see what's happened. Okay, thank you. So let's see others question, Ronak.
Yeah. Next question.
Yeah.
What's your favorite movie? Movie or web series?
Uh,
Anything?
yeah, I have. 1992 scam, the Harsat Mehta.
Okay. Scam 1992.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
It was very interesting.
Okay, so I have to explain why I like this movie or what.
You, if you want, you can.
Now, if every member has to explain, then I will.
Okay. In short, you can explain.
So I like him because he was coming down to earth, right? Was nothing in the beginning when he was 25 years old, but he has a one thing that everybody can wear. That was confidence. He wanted to
Hmm.
change his life, right?
Hmm.
He don't want to live in slum and all because he was living in a very small houses. So I like his behavior. I like his attitude. So I'm very
But
inspired by him.
but what do you one thing that you don't like about that
So
person or your character? Yeah.
no, no, no. So I think he has cheated, to banks. So that should not be done.
Okay. So
We
you want
cannot.
the all great areas, but not the bad what he has
Yeah,
done. That.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Anybody? Rubina, Anand, or Pratik?
Actually, may I?
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I'm not much fond of movies, so I don't watch too much movies. But still, I my favorite movies. It's not my favorite. I like it little. That's Three Idiot, and also I used to watch animated movies like The
Example?
Good Dinosaur. Animated movies. Do you know?
No, I know animated movies, but can you name some?
Good Dinosaur is and
Jurassic Park.
Yes, yes. We have the Jungle movie, Rubina, right?
yes, I also like that. And
Okay, dinosaur
uh,
movie.
you
Okay.
know, I also enjoy the Pakdan Pakdai. Pakdan Pakdai, and yeah, another thing is
Is it a movie?
no, that is not movie, but that is
Series.
cartoon. I am much, I can say that I'm much attracted towards towards these things like animated things.
Hmm.
Okay,
Nice,
interesting.
thank you.
But Pakadam Pakadai, I have not heard it.
No,
Yeah,
it's not a movie. It's a cartoon.
It is a cartoon, but also.
I heard cartoon, Chota Bheem, Doraemon, Pokemon, all these things,
Hmm.
but not Pakadai.
Hmm.
Anyway,
Pakdan Pakdai.
Is it new?
No, it's not new. Actually, I'm watching it from 2 years, so I don't know from
still you are
before two
watching.
years was it telecasting in the TV or not. But I'm watching it from 2 years. Pakdan Pakdai,
Hmm.
उसमें क्या होता है? That's a mouse and there is some mouse and cockroach. But cat and the cockroach. That is
Oggies and cockroaches.
no, that is different. No, Pakdan Pakdai. Sorry, I
Okay,
forgot
okay.
about it.
But
I also
I
used to
understood the
watch
concept.
Augie and the Cockroach. I also watch this, but also Pakdan Pakdai.
Yeah, yeah. I
That
understand the concept. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
I
Anand
will
ji,
I will go with money.
Money Heist.
Yes,
Why?
because I like the act of that professor. How does he manage the robbery by collecting all his partners?
So okay, in one line, why should we see Money Heist?
Uh, to how to make a robbery in any unpredictable.
Okay, okay. So we want to learn. If we want anybody wants to learn robbery, so go see Money Heist.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. So have you learned robbery? So what you have robbed?
No, I am just still working on this. This time in India, there is not any big bang. I think we'll have to go in US or something like that.
Yeah, but have you find any team or something?
Yes, yes, I have uh, lots of partners in my team
Okay.
from different
So
fields.
so. Hmm. So okay, we are seeing Scam Anand. The next web series would be that only.
Yeah, we
Yes,
miss Anand.
Cam Anand will be next.
Next
Yeah,
big thing.
we are wishing you a good luck, Anand, for
Yeah.
your success.
We
Thank you.
will, and after that
I
we
will,
can say that we have talked to Anand.
I will definitely give Sayer what you will want from me.
Yeah, nah, but you have taken our advantage, but we can also go to jail
Yeah.
Yes.
if we take the money.
No, no, I would not take any money. This type of money. I don't want to go jail and all. Okay, so what about you, Ronak? Share your experience.
Okay, so the I would both tell. Movie movie would be Soul. So it is now only released. I like the movie because the latest I can remember. It is a movie. It is. I would recommend all to see that. It is directed by the director who have done an Oscar on Coco and one more thing also, Inside Out. Those were also good movies. So it talks about only that how we are constantly trying that we are trying to find passion, that we want like this, we want life like this, we want to achieve this and this. So how it beautifully portrayed that it is more important to live the life. So that was a beautiful. I liked it. And web series would be Cosmos. Cosmos. So it is a wonderful. It is a wonderful. It is about space and everything. It talks about science. I don't think it is everyone's cup of tea, but it talks about every tin and bits that if we go to space, this are the it talks about what our evolution has done. Everything you want to know is there in it, and I liked it very much. So yeah, highly recommend it.
So it is about the related with science that you have said
It's
it, not the piece of cake or cup of tea.
I think I think yeah, yeah, but it is that, to be honest, I am not a science guy. I'm a commerce guy, so but it is not on high level that you will, if you are a science engineer, you will understand it. Everyone can understand it, but I don't think most of them are. If you like sci-fi movies or anything, so you will love it. That's for sure.
Yeah. By the way, even I don't watch too much movie, so I
Hmm.
have no any idea. But it's good.
Yeah,
We respect.
Cosmos. I think it is not. It is. It is watched by. Yeah, it is watched by many intellectual people. That
Hmm.
if you say that what successful people watch, they watch this types of only documentary or something mind bending, that type of thing only. So I'm very proud of what I watch. So yeah,
We respect you, Ronak. Keep it up.
I also respect myself.
Yeah, that's good. You are giving yourself a compliment.
Not to be arrogant or ego, but yeah.
Yes, in a positive way. Anyways,
Yeah.
what will be the next question?
Okay. Oh my God. This is wow. What a question.
Hmm.
So I'm not. I have hyped it, but it is a simple question.
Hmm. What is this? Let's see. What would you do with $10 million? Okay. Oh my goodness, 10 million. Let's start with Veena Yusuf Khan. Right, Ruhina?
Yeah. Doesn't love the money, but want to know what would you do with it?
If you have Rubina, suppose if you have so much money, she left? No, she's here. Anyway, suppose Rubina, you have so much money, $10 million. What
What
would
would
you
you
like to
to
do
do
with that
that much
money?
of money? Yeah.
Would you buy clothes, makeup? What?
Okay. Let's not stereotype. Let her answer it.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, what I would do. Um, you're, you're asking too too much hypothetical question about which I don't have even thought in my life.
Yes.
This is
Okay.
specialty of this show. Yeah.
And okay. So what I would do? Okay. First. I will make my big house, new house, not big but new house. Mm,
Okay.
and all the other money I will donate to the children's. I will donate to the poor people, to the NGOs, and by this money I will serve the people. I will try to reduce the poverty of my country. Yes,
Very nice thought.
and
Yeah.
really it's my target. It's my target, but I don't know that whether I would be able to achieve it or not. But I want something for the people who are in the slums, because in India there is so much poverty, and I want to do something for them. And I would be very glad if I would get such amount of money.
Really.
Mm.
Yeah, but with respect to your thought, Rubina, but it's not a piece of cake. You have to work, so you will get.
No,
Yes.
but yeah. What's your
Definitely.
answer, Jason?
So if I have so much money, if I talk about, I'm not showing up. If I talk about entrepreneurship, like I want to be in future, so I would expand. I would like invest that money. I will
Another
not.
thing I want to add here, I will open my business. Open business.
Wow, Rubina, we are proud of you. We are
Thank
wishing you
you.
a Let's see,
Okay.
Anand.
Not
Anand
just
Kumar.
yeah.
Yes,
Anand,
Yeah.
yes.
what would you do if you
Okay.
have
Okay.
so much money?
Okay. Before Anand, would you invest all money, $10 million, all in business?
10 million. Yeah, not 10 million. If I talk about, I would try to invest wisely, whether
Okay.
it will
Okay.
give money or not,
Okay. Okay. No.
make
No.
money, more money or not. Because
Okay.
every,
Okay.
yes,
Business minded, huh?
not at all.
Business minded. What we can take 10 million put and make 100 million.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay, okay. We understand.
yes.
Yeah, Anandji.
Yes, I will multiply that money first of all.
How?
And if I will have a lot of money, then to buy something, I will be the my personal private jet.
Oh, my, okay, okay.
Oh my goodness. Very
Only, why,
successful
okay,
answer.
why not a house or a car? Just like भाई साहब हम तो ट्रैफिक ही उड़ा के जाएंगे वहां तो.
No, no. First, I will have to the topmost thing I will buy. Then house and so all this thing will
Okay.
automatically I
Yeah.
will buy the richest thing I will buy like the jet.
But
Hmm.
I don't know, Ronak. I think Ruvina's thoughts are very clear and precise. If I say, no,
Yeah,
very
yeah,
honest.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
let's
but
see.
everybody has a choice. So we are not giving you
Hmm.
10 million, but you can think that you have 10
Yeah.
million and you can do it. So yeah,
Yeah.
no worries.
because nobody is going to give you $10 million. No
You have
one
to
will
earn
give
it.
you
You
10
have to
rupees.
earn it yourself.
Yeah. That's
Harsh truth, but it is truth.
okay. So, Pratik will say next.
Yeah, I will buy more car and then I invest 50%. I invest I invest 50% money in stock market. That's it.
Stock market. So it's very risky also, Pratik. Anyways, that's good.
रिस्क
Okay.
है
Scam,
तो इश्क है.
scam, scam. Jason will explain about
Like Warren
that.
Buffett. Like
Scam.
Warren
I'm
Buffett.
not a scammer, guys, at all. Scam Jason is
Scam
not.
Jason will explain about his stock market.
No, I
No, but
don't have any idea, and I am not a scam. As
no,
No,
you
but
thought.
not a scammer. Yeah, but you said na the risk is there, but risk है तो इश्क है.
yes,
Yes,
risk है तो risk है.
but you can be a beggar also if you are taking too much risks without knowing the truth, right, Ronak?
Not truth. I think the expertise you can,
Knowledge.
but you can advance money to the person who knows it. He can charge some commission and he will manage your money.
That's
Yes,
good. Like you are, Ronak. Na?
What?
You are studying about something, CA something.
Yeah.
So
yes.
you want to be.
So,
So you want to be.
yeah, we do it.
Yes. Because CA people do this. Right,
Yeah.
Ronak?
Hmm. Okay, if I want
Like,
to,
okay, Ronak. What would you do if you
then
have $10 million? It's a big amount of money, Ronak. So you
okay.
want to know how you will spend that money.
So, I have in mind some options. First of all, businesses for sure. Some business type I want to invest in that. For my personal finances, that if I'm safe, some insurances, something my family is safe. That after that they are not worried about the money thing. That for
Hmm.
one, and after that I want to invest charity for sure. By business also, I'm taking that we are giving jobs and everything, something value adding to the customer and consumer, and whatever the money would be made by the business, that also goes to some education or healthcare. So yeah, that stuff I'm targeting.
Wow, very good thought. We wish you
Yeah,
a good luck for your success, for your.
I will
Okay, you
try,
have no money.
but
Suppose
I will
I'm telling
try.
about it. Yes, definitely we should help each other. But first we have to see ourselves, I think. No? We
Yeah.
say in Hindi, not in Hindi, we should not give money person if you have no money. First see
Yeah,
yourself.
I was just about to say that only. That if you want to give something, you have to first earn it. So yeah,
Hmm, that's
but we
good.
will try. We will try.
Yes, I
So
think the
okay,
question is very interesting, Ronak.
I thank
Literally.
you. It's my pleasure. But to be honest, these are not the question, but the person you are as a personality, you are very fun, and I am having fun also. So how you are
Oh,
answering, and it is very marvelous.
yeah.
So we are both appreciating party. We are both appreciating each other. So that's good.
Yes, we should appreciate each other.
Yeah.
Spread
तारीफ
love.
करते रहो. Yeah.
How can
Yeah.
you tell? Okay, we have question, guys.
Yes. Yes.
How how can you tell if someone has a sense of humor? Okay, how can you tell? Okay, I think it start first with Ronak.
Why
Ronak,
me?
please go ahead. Because
Okay.
every time you are not.
So I speak last only that because I want to hear everyone that wanna inputs, and I change my answer to that. That what is going through that only.
Okay,
So
okay,
if I want to speak first, uh, a person with a sense of humor, I can, if someone can make fun of himself, I think that's the great, that he don't takes everything seriously.
hmm,
So I think that is one character, a sense of humor that great.
Wow.
Not take personally or something, but yeah. If
So
someone can, but also what we say, something when you say na that he has a great sense of humor, they talk that you have a ability that you can make fun of yourself. It is a great, so people understand. Yeah, yeah. Anybody?
Okay, so please, I will read again the question. How can
Okay,
you
yeah.
yeah,
tell means actually please explain the question.
okay, yeah. Even I have a doubt, sense of humor because I have heard many times. You have no sense of humor. So what is exact mean? Ability to precise something, Rona?
Okay, so if I generalize, I don't know the dictionary meaning, but sense of humor, only what we call a funny person, or
Okay.
something
Like that
you
person.
laugh, you laugh with it, something like
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Okay, if
Okay. Now
somebody tells me that I'm having sense of humor.
you have a good sense of humor. It's you
Very
have
funny.
ability to joke. You have a ability to laugh someone.
To
No
make you
question.
laugh, to make you
To
laugh.
make you laugh. Yeah, to make you laugh. It
So
means
yeah.
say it in Hindi, Ronak.
See,
Say it.
oh, okay. So just do it. Okay.
You are the host. We are
Uh,
Indians. Say it in Hindi.
okay, I am taking a dictionary, what we call.
Yeah, even I searched on Google and there is written humor is a tendency of experience to provoke laughter. Okay,
Funny
okay,
thing or
now I
funny
got the
side.
answer.
Yeah, I have seen also that
No,
funny things, or see the funny side of things. Have you understood,
I
or
got.
yeah, what we call in
If
Hindi?
somebody,
Okay, Jason, what we call it in Hindi?
we call it Hindi.
Mazakia.
Oh
Mazakia.
my God. Okay,
Mazakia. Yes,
Mazakia. Yes, yes,
Lubina.
yes. We
Lubina
don't know
got the
Hindi
answer.
only. We are
Yeah,
trying to learn English. We don't know Hindi
right.
also. So yeah,
Yeah, even it's our native language.
yeah. So
And
okay, it is a shame, but okay. Yeah.
so yeah,
Anybody?
Mazakia. So question, what was the question?
How can you
Humor is
tell if someone has a sense of humor or मजाकिया है वो?
So it's very simple, Ronak. I would say, yeah, you are the very funny person. Whenever I
No,
live
no,
with you,
traits.
create scenes.
Traits.
What's the question? How
Uh,
can you tell if someone has a sense of humor?
just
It's very
जैसे
I
if
will I
someone
will say I will say I will say यार बदलना मत, don't change, just
why? We say we heard time के साथ सब बदल जाते हैं. Anand is relating with that.
नहीं नहीं उसको जो हंसाता है उसको बोलेंगे कि यार
Oh,
इसी
we
तरह
got
का क्यों
answer.
रहना यार,
okay
बदलना मत अपने, ये होता है।
traits means लक्ष्य को क्या बोलेंगे?
Trade
लक्षण is
Lakshan
it
is symptoms. We say in
yeah,
English.
traits लक्षण क्या है? I'm making it too
Okay,
complicated.
so
Let's
okay.
simplify it. Okay, it is
Hmm.
that to how you are a funny person. So what is, if you can talk, as I said, that if someone can make himself on him a joke, I think it is a funny person.
Yes, it's breaking, Ronak.
My voice is breaking now, it's clear.
Yeah, now it's clear.
I said that if someone can make on himself a joke, I think he has a sense of humor. So like this only, the examples would be variation. I can't uh, do you
Guys,
want guys to change the question, or
yeah,
you want to
keep the
answer?
question. Rubina would be agree, and other member Om Pratik and Anand.
Yeah,
Are you agree to skip
I
the
am.
question, guys?
Yeah. Do you wanna, or if you wanna take that, how you want? If someone asks you that what it takes to be funny, so what would your answer would be if we change the question?
Funny to
Yeah.
make someone laugh. So
Uh,
first, I would say, yeah, he is very Mazkiya, we say in Hindi. He is a
no,
very,
but
he is
but qualities.
Holy.
the the qualities. If you are getting happy because of someone, so quality he has to impress anyone, because those persons who laugh with him or her, he try to or he wish to live with that persons, right? Are you getting guys what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's see others' opinion. I
Okay,
have
I'm
completed.
changing the question because I think I'm also thinking that it is very difficult to answer that. So yeah, next question.
Wow, bye
If you
Anand.
what?
Hmm. Anand is gone. He has
Okay,
written something.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm going. No worry. If you could only use one word for rest of your life, what would be you choose? What would you choose? One word only. You can speak one word only for your rest of your life. What would be it?
One word. How it's
Yes.
possible? One sentence you can say, Ronak. I cannot say I want to die. I'm going to die tomorrow, and I'm taking one name A or
No,
C.
no. It is not. Word is not a letter. One word. Maybe I would say something like Jason. I would say only Jason, Jason, Jason. And it doesn't mean that you
Okay.
will
So
die. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, now.
I got your question.
Okay.
What would I say? I would try to say the name of my God. I would
Okay.
prefer.
I was
Yeah, that's good.
name of the god.
Yeah,
Okay.
even I will
I
also
would
say Allah.
always say Allah, Allah, and Allah.
Yeah, and I will say the same Allah. Because of Allah, I'm doing. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Pratik. Yeah. Sorry. The call came.
Okay. Anyways.
Okay. Yeah. I'm back. Call came so because of that. Yeah. Pratik, are you there?
Yes, yes.
So, what would you choose one word if you wanna say Yeah. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Sorry because one call is coming, so that's why it is the
Okay. No,
network
no.
has been dropping.
No, no, it's not a problem.
Okay. Pratik, have you answered?
Yes.
What was your answer?
What is the question?
If you, yeah, in chat you can see. If you could only use one word for rest of your life, what word would you choose?
One word. How?
You have to adjust, compromise. Yeah. So,
Uh, Please change the question.
okay. Sorry.
Please change the question.
Same.
Okay. No, no,
No.
no. It's not complicated, Om Pratik.
It's very easy.
Yeah. Like you can talk about your experience. That yeah, I have experience. That I never quit myself.
It is
Anything.
One
one
word
word
in my
only. One word. How can you see this? Say this much.
Okay. It's very
mother.
complicated.
Only mother.
Mother. Okay.
Yeah, mother. Yeah.
Okay.
I would skip.
Mother.
Yeah. I would also. I am skipping. I would say mother and father. I cannot choose. No? Okay. So mother.
One word if I had to choose. Hmm, the question is very interesting. Okay, one word would be. I think my name would be. I can't think of anything. For now, would be my name.
Ronak. Wow. So what is meaning of Ronak?
I think, and not. I think it means khushiya, if we
Kushia.
call in Hindi. Yeah,
Yeah.
No, it means
Yeah.
light.
yeah, light also, but in other sense, it khushiya
Yeah.
also.
Light means Kusia. Kusia.
Enlightenment, what we call enlightenment.
Oh,
Enlightenment रोशनी कर देना.
नहीं, enlightenment, if you, it is very higher that when you get enlightenment, you सबसे बहुत to explain it is very hard. Enlightenment.
okay. Let me search enlightenment. What is the spelling? Enlightenment.
E
Light.
N E N light.
Ligst light. Oh yeah, I got the enlightenment
E N.
means. Okay.
It
German.
means to रोशन कर देना. I'm using Urdu words.
Yeah. We love Urdu.
Yeah, if you simplify it, you can say it, but it has some more deep meaning.
I think we say in Urdu talim or in Hindi sicha. Like
Chicha, awakening, or there are many words. Education, learning, teaching, schooling.
hmm,
So, Kushia, you can say it also that it has deep meaning.
deep
So, for
meaning.
if you are enlightenment, you are happy from inside. Yeah, so yeah, that only.
Hmm. Have you completed, Pratik?
Yeah, mother.
Yeah. Okay. I have completed. I'm talking to Pratik. I'm saying to Pratik. Is he?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Yes,
What?
yes.
Okay.
Only my is
Okay. Mother.
completed.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got the. I think we have completed.
No,
Yes.
last question.
Sorry, bro. My English is very weak, so I cannot
No.
say long period.
It's okay, no worry.
Would you rather be able to control time or be able to know what other people are thinking?
So the question has come in chat. Would you rather be able to control the time or be able to know what other people are thinking?
Could you explain me in details? Like it has very a deep meaning.
Very
Deep meaning in
complicated.
what? In control time or in knowing what other are thinking?
We
I want to
what?
be in control time.
Okay,
You
so
control yourself. Don't think about other
no,
people.
no, no. It is a timeline. You can control what we call time traveler. You can say that also.
Hmm.
You can pause it. You can go reverse. You can go in future. So yeah.
Yeah. No,
So what would you
definitely.
choose?
Yeah, definitely. If I get chance to choose, so I would no go back because my back was life not good. I have wasted much time, if I say. So I don't want to choose that one. Yeah, I will think about the future. What would is going to like what would be the best for me? How
Um,
Okay.
best, you know? So yeah, I'm thinking of this thing.
Yeah. Has anybody has confusion or something in it? You
no,
can
I
ask.
don't want anything among them. Nor I want to control the time, nor I want to go back. Neither I want to go back.
Okay,
Okay.
Ronak, if you can, so please choose a funny question so that we can get entertained.
Okay. So I have a comedy show. So
Okay, now after completing this one,
okay. I'm seeing only that only. Next time we sounds funny. But if you wanna answer it, this.
I have answered.
What, time travel? Yes, yeah.
I have also
And
answered.
so you don't choose anything, Rubina.
Yes.
Rubina is lying. He has not choose anything. You have to choose one thing.
And I don't want to choose anything.
But
I'm
why?
happy
Why? But
because
they are not bad options.
I'm happy with my present. Neither I want to go back nor I want to go forward. I want
But
to
no,
be where I
but
am.
very interesting. It is not about you only. You can go back prior to yourself also, in dinosaur or something, that the time when you were not born. You want to see that what happened in real life or in something future. So yeah.
Okay, so I will go back.
Not
I
back,
would
but you
prefer to go
control
back.
time. Control time. Yeah.
Rubina is, I think, very confusing. Rubina, don't be afraid to speak this.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
actually, this time I'm not reading, but at first, when I starts to speak, initially, I feel hesitation, but when I speak, and after that, I can
You
say I
get
can relax.
it is
This
all
time, I
about that only. Yeah.
Yeah, and
First
she's
time
speaking
you will take
literally.
time and
Yeah,
then you
and
will be normal.
speaking literally, she's speaking very well. You know,
Hmm.
whatever we can understand easily. She's speaking very well. So have
Okay.
some, yeah.
I have said it many times to her, but I don't know why it is happening again and again.
I,
No worry. So yeah, Pratik, what would you choose?
In control time, I use my presence of mind at situation.
Can you explain it?
Control time, I don't properly understand this meaning of question. Why do you
Uh,
rather be able to control mind means?
so
Please explain it.
okay, so control time it is simple only. That
Like example.
example, I'm not sure you have seen the movie. What we
I
call
still
it?
will.
Okay, I will explain
Okay,
it.
so it is like that. If you want to pause time, you can pause it. If you want to go back, you can go back in time. You can go in future. So yeah, that only.
You have you have suppose Om Pratik, suppose you are right now 20 years old. Now you want to go back to 13 years old, you can go just to switch the button, right, Ronak?
Yeah.
Yes, it's very simple.
Don't go back.
So you will not go
Don't
back.
want to go
So
back.
okay, why? What are the experience you have felt that you want to go back?
Hmm. I am interested in future.
Hmm,
How it will be.
good,
Uh,
better.
I cannot explain properly.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. No worry. No worry. So yeah, as I also would choose control time over if I could what we call have the ability to understand what our other are thinking. To know what other are thinking, I would choose control time only. So I don't know why you people decided to control time. I want to go specific. I don't want to go in past. You have to just control time. It is your option that you want to control. You don't have to say on that, but in control time you have chosen it. So yeah, Jason, your wish is taken. The funniest movie you ever seen.
Funniest movie. Hmm, because I don't see too much movie. Okay. Hmm, funniest movie would be I have seen PK because I don't see lots of movie now. So I have seen one movie. It was hilarious for me. PK movie. You know PK movie?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, it was yeah,
That movie was literally so hilarious.
yeah,
So for me, PK movie.
yeah. Anybody?
Bhagam Bhag.
Yeah, that movie is very good also, you know?
Uh,
Bhagam
Bhagam
Bhag.
Come
Bhaag.
on, I think
Dhamal was also very good.
Hmm.
There are so many.
Billadin, something like Billadin. I have seen this before. I think 10 years.
Oh my God, 10 years.
At
And
that
you
time, we
remember
had
now also.
national TV.
Yes, because I think earlier movies was very good. Nowadays we can relate because all the people wants to see reality or live things. Right, Ronak?
Hmm. Hmm. And there are a lot of content, so people are watching. There was time that when we watch some movies, our whole family would sit against TV, but now we are just binge watching on our mobiles. So yeah.
Yeah, because of digital media, digital
Hmm.
things.
Mota bhai because of Mota bhai.
Because of Mota Bhai, Ambani Bhai, Jio.
Yeah, but it,
Because
it
of,
is an revolution
yeah,
for
the
us.
revolution has come because of him
Hmm.
in India.
Yes.
But anyways, we should not go into politics and all because somewhere he's not doing well. That is why Punjab people are avoiding him. Apart from it, anyways, so next questions, Ronak.
So Pratik has not answered.
Okay.
Funniest movie think I have no idea in movie, but I like funniest thing Tom and Jerry and Mr.
Tom
Bean.
and Jerry. Yes, yes. Tom and Jerry was so. Even
Yes,
sometimes I
bro.
see.
Yeah.
Tom and Jerry. What about you, Ronak? I think you have not
Hmm.
answered.
Yes, I'm thinking that only. I have watched a lot, but मैं हूँ लकी द रेसर. I'm
What?
not sure. मैं हूँ लकी द रेसर.
Man who. Yeah, I have not seen, guys.
So it is an it is an South movie. It is I have seen it in dubbed, but it is a Kanchana also. It was funny.
I have heard that movie, Kanchan something.
Yeah, it was pretty funny.
Can be.
Yeah.
So, okay, guys, I have a one quiz for you. Not quiz, questions. Okay,
Okay.
I will give you three options. Okay, so what are the things you can't live without it? Because I talked to lots of Iranian people. Today question was this. Okay, so I'm giving you option. And
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
the first would be soap. Second would be toilet paper. Third would be toothpaste. What are the things you cannot live without
Okay.
it?
What? Can you repeat the options?
Toilet soap
Toilet,
and another
what we say?
toothpaste.
Toothpaste first. Second one would be the toilet paper. Third one would be the, what was next?
Soap.
Soap. Yes.
Complicated.
In
It's more
between them.
complicated.
Yeah, it's so funny. We enjoyed a lot today. It is so funny.
Yeah.
So let's see others' opinion.
Mm,
Let's start
Uh,
with you, Ronak.
about the answer.
Yeah.
So, can you define shop? What do you mean by
Shop.
shop?
soap.
It's SOAP. Shop.
Dukan.
Sabun.
Dukan. Yes,
Sabun.
yes.
Okay. Oh,
Soap, soap, soap.
no,
Sabun.
no.
Soap.
Sabun,
Sabun,
Bath
sabun.
sabun.
soap. We say bath soap.
I'm not sure what to choose.
Choose. Choose Ronak. Choose it. Why you guys are laughing? Choose now. You have a three options. First, bath.
I think this question is very personal, man.
Not personal. I mean, we were doing everywhere these questions. Why not here? You have
I
any.
don't have answer. I don't have answer.
What are the things? Options? You can say I cannot live without toothpaste. You have option. I cannot live bath shampoo. You have option.
I can't live without toothpaste.
Yeah, me also. Toothpaste would be. Yeah.
Okay. So what about Okay, but okay.
Third
So
option, third
Rubina is
option, toothpaste, soap, and sh-
toilet paper. Yeah.
uh, toilet paper.
So you cannot live without toilet paper. Okay, that's
Now,
good.
Mera third one jaldi.
Okay, yeah, next
Uh,
question,
Okay,
Jason.
next. Yeah, I have next question.
Yeah.
So what
and
would you
you
like?
your answer and your answer.
Okay, okay. What's
And
your
My
answer?
answer. My
yes,
answer
yes.
would be bath shampoo.
Why bath
I can
shampoo?
live. Yeah, I cannot live without bath shampoo. I can live with them. If they are not, then definitely I can live. I can manage. Not a
46.
problem.
You can in bath shampoo you can use it toothpaste like
Gujjar Tariq.
Oh. Sorry. Yeah, I would.
Tariq.
I'm changing the questions.
interesting question.
Interesting questions. Yeah. So
Yeah,
there is a one job.
logically.
No, guys. If I will suggest you to download Hello app, guys. You can connect with the world, with Indian people. You can talk to Iranian, US,
But
American.
okay, so you talked on hello. It is what about English practicing only?
Yeah, it is only for learning English, and there are so many people, all over
It's
the
in
world. They
video
come.
in
Yeah, and you have
pay
a.
up your your free up.
It's a free of cost if you want to take session, if you want to learn English from the teachers. So you can, but I would suggest don't take such subscription. It's a free of cost. Just download Hello app, HALLO, and
Oh, I know, I know.
hmm, you have a power to connect with the world, not only Indian people. You can speak, practice with native speaker. So that is the
Okay.
power of that app.
Yeah,
Yes.
nice.
Give okay, please give me best suggestion for how to learn faster in English. Uh,
Oh my goodness. I think Ronak will give the right answer because I am not. I
I
don't
have
think.
answered it earlier, but you can give your suggestions.
No, I think I don't speak good. So I
I
would say,
think you are pretty well. You can convey your thoughts and messages. You are pretty good.
okay, let's see what Rubina. Rubina, what would you suggest him to improve his English?
Okay. Thank you. Okay. If you want to learn English, the important thing is to make conversation. Don't think that whether you are wrong or right. Just focus on the speaking. That just keep one mind that I have to speak and I have to speak. But for speaking, you have to increase your vocabulary. Vocabulary means you have to learn the words. You have
Knowledge
to
of words.
regularly you have to learn 3 4 5 words regularly, but regularly, so that your
okay.
vocabulary will enhance. And the another thing which you have to do is whenever you will learn any word, you have to make the sentence of this word as well. That will also help you a lot. And the another thing which you can do is that you have to watch English movies and English videos, because listening is very important. Because if you are learning anything, after that, when you listen anything, after that you can speak. So listening English is also very helpful.
Thank you.
And also you can read the books, you can read the small story books. These books also help you a lot. And the most important and the essential thing is to make conversation regularly and regularly.
How can
Thank you.
how can
Best
converse
advice.
regular?
Are
Like
in
this only
groups.
Google Meet, or you can talk to, if you are free, you can just send that I'm free. Anybody wants to practice it, they will call.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
There are so many sources available, but you
Thank you.
have
Yeah.
to
Thank
speak
you.
regularly.
In our MBA, English spoken English is more important for our. I cannot attend the class. Sorry, I cannot attend the answer of my class because my English is weak. So
Yeah, even even I have the faced the same problem. Although and I know the answer, but I was not able to speak in the class. evening.
Yeah,
So it hurts,
it's
na?
very hard for
When
me.
you know the answer
It's
and you
yeah.
cannot speak. Yeah. So I would say, brother, have some confidence
Yes.
and speak
Yeah,
in
and
English.
by
And as
practice you
Rovina has
will build
covered,
the confidence. By practice you
hmm,
will.
and Rovina had said covered many points. So
Yes.
Yeah.
just
In
follow
detail
his
also, so yeah, great.
yeah, and in details even. And you have to be regularly because
Mm.
Okay.
if you
Thank you
want
both.
to
Thank
be yes, if you want to build muscle, suppose if you eat one day too much food, it will not you cannot see result. You have to be
Yeah.
regularly.
Not
Otherwise,
muscle if
I
you wanna
watch.
gain weight.
Yeah.
Muscle is by exercising.
hmm?
You
Are you
said na
asking?
if you want to gain muscle, if you wanna
Yes.
be fat, you eat. If you wanna gain muscle, you exercise.
Yeah, exercise more important. If you are doing exercise only and not taking proper diet, you cannot grow muscles.
Yeah, yeah,
Both both
yeah.
things
You
are
can say that. Yeah.
food is very important. I'm giving
Mm-hmm.
example so that he can relate.
Okay, I understood. I understood.
Okay, he left.
I don't know why he didn't
Okay,
like
what
this
is
answer.
next questions? Today is the
Okay,
Sunday.
what was your question? You just asked one only.
Okay,
There
okay.
is there only one or any or
Yeah, I have one more question. So, suppose if you have power to invention, not power, you can invention in future. So, what would you like to invention? Like there is the option. First, magic cloth. Second would be I am forgetting the questions. The question was too good.
okay? Can you just say that if you want without option I want to answer
Okay,
time
okay, yes,
machine.
yes, yes,
Time
yes.
machine.
Okay, okay. So in future, if you have a chance to invent, to discover something, what would be?
I think. Are you discover or invention?
Invention discovered the meaning is same. To
No,
cause.
it is discover is something that is existing and you just find it. Invention is something new
Oh,
only you create.
okay. So it would be invention. Sorry.
So I
Thank you.
think my time machine.
What? Time machine.
Yes.
What is time machine? Please explain us.
Oh, have you not seen movies how they talk more about that time machine? We can go back in time in future. We
Oh,
can pause time.
okay. You can post. How is possible to post time? Once time goes, it goes forever.
It is technology. That
By
is
the
not now here, but in future maybe.
yeah, by the future it can be, but I don't think. Yeah, but if I can talk to the people with phone, so is it possible? It can happen.
Yeah, yeah. But it will take time.
But
We are
I
not
don't.
sure.
Yeah, it's very interesting one. We can go back to the previous time. It can happen. Anyways, let's see Rubina's Yusuf's opinion.
Um, I would I would invent the same which Ronak had
No, you are lying. I
about which
think
he was talking.
Time machine.
no. So you
Yes.
have to choose other one. He has said. What's your opinion? If he has not said this thing, then we would not.
Okay, okay. If you want to, if you can't choose this one, or can you choose another? Say another.
Please and give me option because I don't have any other
Okay,
thing
so
in my
I'm giving
mind.
option. A magic cloth with air conditioner.
Huh?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, a magic
It
cloth
doesn't
with
make
air.
sense.
Makes sense. You
Okay,
know?
magic cloth. I understand why magic cloth. Why air
No,
conditioner?
no. So because if that is the magic, na. If you feel warm, you have
Okay,
to.
okay, okay, okay. I understood. Okay, let's not take everything serious. Okay.
Anyways, so
Yeah.
magic cloth with air conditioner, Rubina, and the second would be Ronak will give
Mm,
a option.
flying cars.
What?
Flying cars.
Flying cards.
Cards nahi, cars. CARS.
Oh, flying
I
cars.
would buy magic cloth.
Why, Yusuf? Ruvina, why you want to why you want to invent an magic
because
cloth?
during winters I feel too much cold, so that
Oh,
it
you are
will
copying
provide
me,
me.
huh?
Because in Kashmir it will help me a lot.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
Why
If you
it
feel
there is cold?
cold,
How it air conditioner would help?
no, there will be that is the magic now. There would be something stuff that will fit within the clothes. When you feel, just switch the button, you will feel warm inside your body.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
what does okay? So magic cloth does this only. If you wanna decide anything, this will do.
If you feel, suppose we are living in Delhi, here too cold. So if I feel here cold in the winter, I have an option to switch one button to feel warm. Whenever I will go out, I will switch the button inside my clothes. I will feel warm. Think about that idea.
Yeah, it is
Yeah,
possible. It is possible.
right.
I
Yes,
think
it
it
Possible.
is
is.
possible, and it
It is there. I think it is there. This is not an
No,
anyone
invention.
can invent.
no, it's not there.
No, I think it can be. Anyone
Yeah,
can
it's a,
invent this.
and I think in future it can be because Iranian people think beyond our imaginations, guys. Literally,
Okay.
these guys
Yeah,
are
Pratik ji.
yes.
Uh, I will discover suggestion machine and a planning machine who give
Sorry.
me suggestion and
Suggestion.
That's good.
Oh,
But I
suggestion and plan. I didn't understand why
yeah,
suggestion plan.
even I didn't understand.
So why you good and everything? If you don't understand why
suggestion
good and
machine
everything.
and planning machine who give me suggestion and a good plan and new plan.
Oh, yeah,
So
got it.
Then
why
I
not
discover more and
execution only?
then I discover more and more.
Yes, yes. Whenever he will be in, he has a very deep meaning, Ronak. If you try to understand, whenever he will be in problem, he is just also click the button and he will know the answer. Right, Pratik?
So it is an advice.
Yeah, but he wants that some stuff should be with me. Whenever I'll get problem, I will just click on the button and I will see the answer how to do this work.
Okay, okay,
And plan and
understand.
also plan a
Yeah,
plan
and
machine.
planning, with planning. Yeah.
New
Hmm.
plan in
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Okay, now it's your turn to. Okay, it's Rubina turn. Rubina, do you have any questions?
Oh,
Let
your answer,
No,
Jason.
Okay. Okay, now Pratik, are you saying something, Ronak?
I was just saying
no
that
no.
your answer. You have not answered the question. What you have asked.
Yeah, I would choose magic cloth with air
Magic.
conditioner. Like
Uh,
to invention these things. Magic cloths.
And a Ronak and a you.
I have answered now. Time machine.
Time machine.
And a
And
Rubina.
Rubina, magic
Rubina,
cloth.
same. I think magic cloth. Okay, so Jason, you have to change your answer.
Me. Okay.
Yes, because you copied Rubina.
So yeah, so I wish, as I have said in the beginning, I can destroy my competitors.
What?
Yeah, like if
How? How?
if I have something that type of stuff that I can destroy my competitors with mind. So I wish I have some mind to destroy
Very
my
evil.
competitors.
Very evil.
Yeah,
Very evil-minded.
yes, you can say. Okay, what's the funniest movie ever seen? I had to leave the meeting because I got. Okay, thank you, Rubina, for joining with us. So tell us something about yourself, Om Pratik.
Okay. Myself, Pratik Sai. I am from Odisha.
Odisha, wow.
I am studying, pursuing my MBA in Gandhi Institute.
Okay, in MBA. Wow, bro. So I literally I want to know. You have a book of strategic management. What are you learning? Could you
No,
explain?
no, it is my first year, and due to Corona, class will not start.
Okay, so we have next question. What's your favorite song? So my favorite song is
And Johnson, and what about you and Ronak?
what?
Sorry.
And
Hmm?
please,
Oh,
and
you
you,
want?
where are you from, Ronak and you?
Okay,
I'm
you
from.
okay. Okay, Jason, you can introduce yourself. After that, I will introduce myself.
Yeah. So this is Jason. I'm from New Delhi. I'm
Yes.
planning to do MBA.
Okay.
Yeah. I have a doubt to do MBA or not because I don't want to lose my money. Instead of that money that I would expand on my education, so I'm thinking about to do some business.
Yeah.
Yeah, money should be invest in business. So I don't want. Yeah, let's see. And even I'm learning a
If it,
book about the business.
Can you name
if
the book?
There are so many books. If I talk about the book, hard things about the hard things, and I'm going to buy one book of Principal Delio. He is the founder of Bridgewater. So there are
Okay.
so many things, and I want to learn. I think you are learning, Ronak. Michael Potter, he is the like a god of strategic management.
No, I have not heard it. In
Ye-
strategic management, in what, business only, or any
Yeah,
niche,
no, in business,
financial or something?
only, like how
only
to
business,
manage.
yeah.
Yeah,
How to
Okay,
manage?
startups or something.
not startups. Startups means that you are doing something different that nobody is doing,
Ah,
and
not
and business means you are repeating the same things what others are doing. So I'm going to start business.
okay.
Yes.
So, to introduce myself, I'm from Rajasthan. Myself Ronak, and I'm just doing a professional course, CA. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm,
Nice.
good. So,
Can
so
you give message in personal box?
personal,
Personal box message. Can I message you personal box?
yes, why not?
Thank you, bro.
Yes, it's not. Thank you. It's not too much. It's not a big thing. You can message anytime. If I will see, I will definitely reply.
Okay, okay. I
Mm.
will try to my best in English. So please help me, guys.
Yeah, don't be afraid. We have so many groups, and I would help you. I would help you. Like tell the people to take you.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
to
you.
add you. Yeah,
And
don't
thank
worry.
you.
And if you will live with them, definitely one day, not one day, within 1 month, you will able to speak very fast English.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes.
So
Always
yeah.
I. Okay,
Hmm.
okay. Tell.
So, okay, this would be the last question. I think I have posted. What's your favorite song? You have to
So
just
my
say the name
yeah,
and you have to sing two lines.
okay. The favorite song. I like the song of Divine 359 because
359.
Divine rap.
Mm-hmm.
I
I know,
can
I know.
relate. Yeah, I can relate so much with his rap, and it is very true. So I like him. He is not fake at all. Because those people who speaks, who like a rap, they don't tell the truth, right? Just to
Hmm.
make a song viral, they are saying. But he speaks always like very truth, and which touches our heart. So I'm very
Yes.
impressed by him.
Hmm. Can you sing one, two lines?
Oh my goodness, I cannot because it's a rap. You
Yeah.
can search. Yes. Okay. So,
Okay.
what is the Om Pratik will say next? Which is your
Hmm.
favorite song, Om Pratik?
Uh, my favorite song, Asik movie. Asik. Asik.
Movie, not song.
I like a Asik song. All song.
Okay,
Okay.
old song. Any if you wanna name some.
तुम ही हो.
Can you sing? This can be sung.
Yeah,
Pratik, 1 2 lines.
yeah, Pratik, please.
Okay.
Not in chat box.
Uh, eh, complicated. No,
नहीं सिंपल है ना, सिंपल है.
तुम ही.
तुम ही हो, अगर तुम ही हो.
Oh, nice, nice, Ronak.
I was just helping you. I am not singing. You are singing.
You singing for no,
Not. I'm just helping with the lines.
no.
So okay, we can sing with together also. Start. You are our leader. Okay, sing, Pratik. तुम ही हो, अगर तुम
तुम ही
ही
हो,
हो.
तुम ही हो. Bas, that's it.
जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो.
Wow, nice, nice, nice.
Wow, wow, Ronak, wow.
Yeah, some pain in some pain in heart, so I just released. So yeah.
And I really I don't prefer these songs because because I feel very touched my heart and I can be
so
sad.
so
So
so but
I
once
don't
in a while you have to just go through that. Once in a while it's not good.
what?
You say na that you don't like some emotional songs.
Because I am very why how can I say my personal story? So basically I don't want to go back with all these things. But
Okay, I understood. I understood.
yeah. Now what's
Okay.
your favorite song, Ronak?
Uh, it is. I think there are a lot of songs I like.
Like
Like one song.
but
What?
share us.
Ronak, one song.
Yeah, Ronak will sing one
Ah,
song.
I'm thinking that only. What song can I if I want to sing, I have to know the lyrics. Uh, what
We are
song would
waiting
be?
for your song.
Yeah, you can also sing. What song? Okay, that song. I just listened on the radio. Also, I liked it. लग जा गले के फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले. Yeah, that only. Drop mic.
Once more, bro. Proof.
Okay, sorry. Not great, but yeah.
Your voice
Okay,
is
okay. It
nice.
was very good, Ronak. Thank you so much, Ronak.
Yeah.
So I have to cut the call, guys. I will catch you later.
So, I'm just
Okay.
finishing only. So, yeah, thank you, Jason and Om Pratik, coming. I had a great time. I hope that you have also.
Please,
Yeah, thank you.
in Goa, I don't found your ID. Please message
In what? WhatsApp?
message me, please, in group.
Okay, so I'm give you on. Are you on Telegram?
Yes, I am in Telegram.
Okay, so I just give you the group link. You can join.
Okay. Please, in